Hello everyone, welcome back to Bright Path, the Learning Hub. In the previous video, we learned how to solve linear equations using addition and subtraction. Today, we will move one step ahead and learn how to solve linear equations using multiplication and division step by step. So, here in this case, we are going to solve equations where the coefficient is multiplied, that is 3 multiplied by x. So multiplication is there, 3 multiplied by x, that will become 3x. Again here division, we are going to divide the x by coefficient by keeping both the sides of equation balanced. We have to keep both the sides balanced. So by the end of this video, you will be able to solve equations where the variable is multiplied or divided by a number. So, if x is multiplied, then we are going to divide by that coefficient. We are going to divide by that coefficient. Okay. Another, if x is divided, then we are going to multiply it by that coefficient. We are going to multiply it by that coefficient. So our goal, in this case, our goal is to always to isolate the variable from coefficient. If x is multiplied by a number, we divide both the sides, and if x is divided by a number, we multiply both the sides. So let's try to solve this example. So what we will do here, 3x. So multiplication relation is there between 3 and x, that is in between coefficient and the variable. So 3x divided by, we will divide the coefficient by 3, is equal to 18 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, that will become 1. On the left hand side only x is left, is equal to 18 divided by 3, that will become 6. So we are getting the answer of variable x is 6. If we consider fractional division, then also we can write this in the form 3x divided by 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, only 1x, that is equal to x is left on the left hand side, is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. So we are getting the answer 6 upon 1. That means numerator, when the denominator is 1, then the value becomes, that is equal to numerator, which is 6. So in both the cases we are getting the same answer. Okay. Another example we are going to take, solve equations x divided by 5. So here division is there. So what we will do here? We will do multiplication. So x divided by 5 multiplied by 5. This is on the left hand side we multiplied. Again we will multiply it on the right hand side. That is 4 multiplied by 5. So what we are getting here, 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5, that will become 1. Here 1 multiplied by x, we are getting on the left hand side x is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, that will become 20. So the value of variable x is 20. Okay. Fractionally we are trying to do that. So x divided by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. Here also 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 1 multiplied by x, that will become x, is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. So here also we are getting the answer 20. Okay. In both the cases we are getting the same answer. Another example, here in this case the coefficient is negative. here minus 4 is the coefficient which is negative number, Till now we learned division and multiplication by positive number. Now we will learn here how to divide by negative number. So we will divide by minus 4. So minus 4x divided by minus 4. When two symbols come simultaneously, then we will take that coefficient in the parenthesis or in the bracket, is equal to 16 divided by, again here we will write minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 will get cut. Here on the left hand side, balance left with x only, is equal to 16 divided by minus 4, that will become minus 4. So we are getting the value x is equal to minus 4. Fractionally we will try to divide it. Minus 4x divided by minus 4, that is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 here again. So 4 1s are 4, minus sign also gets cut, 4 1s are 4. So here on the left hand side x is equal to 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16, that is equal to 1 minus sign is there. So answer will be our minus 4. Okay, in both the cases we are getting the same answer, but the condition is that we have to balance the equation on both the sides, that is on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Okay, another example, x divided by 7, that is equal to 5. So here division is there, we are going to multiply it by 7, So x divided by 7 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 again. So here 7 and 7 will get cut. On the left hand side x will be there, is equal to 5 multiplied by 7, 35. Okay, so we are getting the value of x, that is equal to 35. Fractionally we will try to solve it. X divided by 7 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 5 multiplied by 7. In here also, in this case we are getting same value, x is equal to 35. By both the way we tried to solve this. Okay, so till now what we learn? Division, multiplication. If multiplication is there, we are going to divide, and if division is there, we are going to multiply it, and keeping both the sides, balanced, So till now we covered multiplication and division by positive number as well as negative number, that is positive coefficient as well as negative coefficient. So till the end of this video we have covered addition of linear equation, again subtraction, same, multiplication and division, Okay, so in the next video we will combine everything. And solve multi-step linear equations. So I request you to make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Bright Path the Learning Hub. Thanks for watching. Thank you.